y'all, thank you so much for being here. Today I am bringing you a motivating quick clean with me 2022. If you're watching this on the upload date, it is Super Bowl Sunday, so hopefully you can get some quick motivation in, and then you might need it to clean up from all of your food after the game. Before we get started, I had ordered from Grove Collaborative just a few items, so I thought I would quickly show you what I got since those had just arrived. It was a reusable bag set. It's a snack and sandwich bag. That was actually a free gift with my order. I got some Caldrea Tangelo Palm Frond multi-surface cleaner. I tried the Caldrea Juniper Laurel Mint linen and room spray for the first time. I'm obsessed with pear tree, so I got some more hand soap and multi-surface spray. They were out of the dish soap, so I just got those two things. I needed another dish brush, and I'm obsessed with my walnut scrubber sponges, so that was my quick little order. I will say that linen and room spray, when I smelled it in the bottle, it was just okay, but when I sprayed it in the room, it's amazing, so I highly recommend that one. And now I'm just topping off my other pear tree bottle because I hate to waste anything. So we had a little incident in our office. We had a roof leak when we had all of the snow, and we took the vent cover off. We had to poke a couple of holes in the ceiling to keep the water from spreading. Our roof has since been fixed, so now I'm just taking the ladder out that my husband had to use. I'm gonna get the towels up off the floor. I had put a flower pot in here to catch the dripping, and I'm just ready to get this room back together. They have to come back and paint and fix our ceiling, so I'm just gonna sit this vent cover off to the side, but I'm gonna get everything else taken care of.
You take me higher when we're together. It feels like you set my whole world on fire. I know I need you here. You're Robin, I won't deny. You know you make me feel so alive. I wanna stay with you.
I'm going to get the towels in the washing machine, and I forgot to show you my mop head at the end of my last video, so you'll get to see it right here. Disgusting, so I'm gonna throw that in there too. These are just extra towels that we keep for things like that. We don't actually use them for ourselves, so I was okay washing the mop head with those.
Paradise, like we're in paradise, yeah.
Now headed back into the office, I'm gonna get the desk wiped down with my Jaws glass cleaner and my eCloth polishing rag. If you guys are new here, I did do an office makeover video. Just a quick story, I ordered one of these desks from Wayfair. It wasn't completely perfect, and they were kind enough just to send me another one, and because it wasn't too noticeable, it worked out great. I was able to just put them together and make an L-shaped desk.
Think about you all the time. You got me loose. My heart was troubled. Now I'm fine. Ooh, sky is blue. The snow is gone now from the streets. We'll be blessed with summertime. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it? Hey, you must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's loving.
I just wanted to say welcome to my first timers. If you enjoy my content, I hope you will subscribe and join our family here. It's a great community. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your continued support.
Sky is blue, the doubt is gone from my mind. up among. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it hitting you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing. Do you hear the
If you guys are watching this video on Sunday, let me know if you're going to watch the Super Bowl and if your team made it. I'm a Cowboys fan. We did not make it. My husband is a Panthers fan. They didn't make it. So we're just watching for the fun of it because we both do love football and we're excited to see the halftime show.
Do you hear that? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear that? Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it hitting you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's love.
Those three little mirrors tend to always need attention. I have no idea why because they never get touched, but I went ahead and got those taken care of, and now I'm gonna dust my bookcases with my e-cloth dusting rag.
Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing.
Before I head over to the second bookshelf, I also wanted to dust this lamp. It came from Costco, and I have had really good luck with lamps there. My sister usually spots them for me, and then I'll head over and get it. So the one in my living room and this one both came from there.
Bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. You're undenying.
I will be in here again giving this office a deeper clean when they fix our ceiling because I know that's going to make a huge mess, but in the meantime, like I said before, I just wanted to get it pretty much put back together. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum, and then I will be headed into my entryway. If you saw my last video, I noticed it was kind of dusty, but I didn't want to stop mopping to take care of it, so I thought I would go ahead and include that in this motivation today.
Greatness in all of your adventures. You're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego.
I'm gonna dust the blinds before I start wiping everything else down. I've been asked before where these came from. All of the blinds in our home were installed by Home Depot.
With these humble acting everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble acting everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth.
My entryway can usually do with a light dusting, but I like to use a multi-surface cleaner because they smell so good. This is the pear tree that I just got delivered, and I always think, what if somebody comes to the door? I would love to have my entire entryway smelling amazing, and this does the trick.
You're undenying, undying ego. Oh, look, here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes.
Here's a close-up of the bottom part. It's above the trim and below the blinds. I don't know what was on here. I got most of it off with the multi-surface cleaner, but I had to go back with the magic eraser. I didn't show that on this part because I didn't want to stop my groove, but it did take care of it.
Got the strangest feeling, ever so appealing. In the back of my mind, I know what's right. Like a lash in my wrath, coming out on a whim. Set my heart on fire, steal the...
If you guys are enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it really helps me out.
Trying to find the one to live me somehow. With every heartbeat I feel it, gonna set my sights on you. You make the world go round.
The door I was just cleaning was the coat closet door, and then this is the linen closet door. It's in between our office and guest bedroom. Once I finish with that, I'm gonna start working on all of this wainscoting.
On the stormy mountains, in the raging weather, I'll be your shelter, my favorite shore. I've been looking for ages, trying to find the one to live me somehow. With every
If you have a lot of trim in your home but time is not on your side, as long as you maintain it and it only gets a little bit dusty, you can use a dusting rag like I was using earlier or something like a Swiffer. That'll just help keep the dust out of those little crevices. But again, this needed a little more attention, and I love to use things that smell good. That's why I'm putting in the extra work.
commiseration, 'cause I got the next sensation. I've been looking for ages, trying to find the one to live me somehow. With every heartbeat I feel it, gonna set my sights on you. You make the world go round. I've been looking for ages, trying to find the one to live me somehow. With every heartbeat I feel it, gonna set my sights on you. You make the world go round. I counted the days since my phone stopped ringing. We don't talk any longer.
A lot of you have seen me dust the leaves to my plants. I try to do it just whenever it's convenient. It doesn't have to happen really often, but it's just nice to keep the dust off the leaves. I think it helps your plants stay a lot healthier.
This wide, wild world, wide, wild world. Baby got me salty, salty, salty. Baby got me salty, salty.
My floors were still pretty clean from my recent steam mopping, but they always need a good vacuum.
Didn't get me places, and I don't share my food with my cat anymore. Guess you got new taste. Now I swear to God I am all alone in this wide, wild world.
I wanted to thank you guys so much for spending your time with me. I know this was a quicker video, but I will have some longer content coming. I love you guys so much. God bless you. And if you want to see my previous video, click the box right here.
Salty, salty, salty.